Spring has sprung. Awesome, awesome. Things are starting to really liven up. The colors are coming back, things are blooming, things are actually opening. Happy days.
We turn out of the weather, the spring snowstorm hitting across 11 states.
Wait, what?
Low pressure makes its way in overnight tomorrow night, and behind that low pressure, we're actually going to see some snow showers getting in.
Are you shitting me? All right, I'll catch you guys next week. Wow, that was something, wasn't it? So let's try this again. Happy spring. So I thought that maybe for this video I would take some shots of some surrounding condo communities. And the reason for that is because of this condo right across the street. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but see the sign in the window. It's in contract. So just a few days ago, it went up for sale, and literally within 24 hours, it went into contract. So I think it was the fastest selling condo in this community, in this development. That condo is pretty much, as far as the layout goes, is pretty much identical to ours. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and about 1,700 square feet if you include the sunroom. So it's pretty much the same as ours, but we were just astonished at how fast it sold. We heard of other condos around this development selling pretty quickly, but not 24 hours. That was amazing. So that pretty much tells me that there's a lot of people, considering that there was like 26 showings within that 24 hours. So there's a lot of people that are interested in the condos around here. So I pretty much thought that maybe I will show a few of them in this video. So let me walk the dogs and we will get started. First off, I live in Powell, located in southern Delaware County of Ohio. Powell is about 15 miles north of downtown Columbus. So let's start with my condo community. Welcome to the village at Murphy Park. Here's some quick stats while we take a slow drive around the community. It was established in 2001 and borders against Murphy's Park. The amenities include a clubhouse, a gym, and a pool. There's exactly 96 condominiums, 4 condos per building unit, which you'll notice from the drone shots. All condos have a sunroom. The 2-bedroom condos are approximately 1,440 square feet, and the 3-bedroom condos are approximately 1,680 square feet. From the drone shots, you'll probably notice that a lot of the local shops and restaurants are all within walking distance. For more information, visit their website at www.thevillageatmurphypark.com. Here's a fun fact about Powell, Ohio. Powell used to have a motor racetrack called the Powell Speedway back in 1946 to the early 1960s. The Powell Speedway property was sold to a developer in 2001, which is what the village at Murphy Park and the village at Murphy's Crossing sits on. All right, welcome to the village at Murphy's Crossing. Sadly, I don't have much information on this condo community. They don't have a website. What is visible though is a clubhouse, a pool, and green space. What I did find was that they were built in 2005, and they have 3 and 4 bedroom condos, and the layouts are between 1,980 square feet and 2,700 square feet approximately. Welcome to the Courtyards at Grandshire. Constructed in 2013 by Epcon Communities, this charming small neighborhood has only 23 single-family detached condos. They have 3 floor plans that range from approximately 1520 square feet to 2,000. A unique feature is that they have a 2.5 car garage. Although they do not have a pool or a clubhouse, they do have a community pavilion with an outdoor fireplace and a picnic area with barbecue grills. Thanks for joining me, guys. Really loving this cloud pattern this morning. Just ripples of clouds in the sky. This is amazing. Ripple, ripple, ripple. Absolutely beautiful. Good morning, guys.